We are pleased to show you the 2020 Defender. If you are looking for a serious all-around utility vehicle with reliability and style, then the Land Rover Defender 90 is for you. This is the iconoclastic exploration vehicle. The full-time four-wheel drive, off-road British-made Defender 90 is one vehicle that will get you in and out of some of the trickiest spots nature has to offer. With a 90 wheelbase and coil springs, the Defender 90 has outstanding four-wheel agility and improved riding comfort too. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, privacy glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.